to continue to keep you and your loved ones informed about COVID-19. This morning, we're taking a closer look at shocking new studies about long COVID and how that virus is affecting people after they've technically recovered.
Yeah, we're getting answers from local experts about who's more likely to get long COVID. ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott is breaking down everything you need to know if you've had the virus.
We have hard evidence to show that long COVID exists.
New research is giving doctors insight into long COVID that they've never had before.
And everyone's at risk for a chronic long haul syndrome.
Long COVID is when your COVID-19 symptoms don't go away or develop into other health problems. Some of those symptoms include shortness of breath, a lingering cough, fatigue, muscle aches, chest pain, joint pain, heart palpitations, and especially brain fog.
Well, now when we look and say, okay, the brain is really showing differences in people reporting these symptoms. The cerebrospinal fluid is different in people who are reporting these symptoms.
Researchers say what the newest studies show about long COVID and who it's affecting is shocking.
Everybody thought, no, it'll be the severe cases. It'll be the hospitalized cases. It will be people that are elderly that already had mental decline.
But that's not what the data indicates.
No one expected to see the long-term COVID actually occur in people that were younger.
The new science also reports higher rates of long COVID in young people who had mild to asymptomatic cases.
I'm very concerned about the potential for that and how it's going to be detrimental to young people.
As doctors have seen so many young people in the Tampa Bay community getting COVID-19, even mild cases, that's why they're worried about how this will affect them even decades from now.
I want people to know it's real. These are young people in their 20s that are reporting brain fog. They're showing cognitive decline that you see in people that are 70. So it's not something to mess around with. You don't just get COVID and get over it. That's an incredibly dangerous course to attempt.
Health officials say the message here is a reminder that COVID-19 is a new virus, one that we should continue to try to keep from spreading since lasting impacts are still unclear as scientists work to study it.
Studies, we have to get people who are experiencing long-term COVID, speak to their physicians and enroll in any kind of clinical trials that are going on. So we collect the data and try to figure this out.
In Tampa, Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.